Welcome to another video. Today I'm gonna unbox Royal Kludge H81 mechanical keyboard. This is the front of the box, side. This is the back of the box. And this is the price. 2750. This is the specs. So this one is the variant H81 white, brown switch. Okay. How to open the box? Okay, from this side. Oh, they have tape. Okay, there's two tapes here. It's the warranty receipt. This. The keyboard. There's the manual. What else does it have? It has the switch puller on this side and keycap remover on this side. Let's try that. So switch puller and keycap remover. Then they have 4 pieces of spare switch and Type-C connector. And that is all. Okay, this is the keyboard. The side, top, and this is the bottom part, and this is the dongle. Then it has 3 modes. So off, this one is G, is the dongle, Bluetooth 1, 2 and Bluetooth 3. Okay, let's do sound test. And let's check the switch. So use this. Maybe let's take out the windows. There. Brown switch. Same with the spare brown switch. What's that? There's like a hair. Okay, let's try testing it. Okay, now let's test the charging. So first you get the USB cable that came with it. and look for the end with the Type-C connector. and then you plug it in here on the top left side. It has this laptop icon, or sorry, monitor icon. Plug it in, and then the other end with the USB. You can either use type C or USB. I'm gonna plug it in here. Then once that's plugged in, it's now glowing red, charging. I'm not sure why. Yeah, maybe the camera's not catching that very well, but it is showing charging. It also charges if you plug it into your PC or laptop. Now let's test the device. Okay, for quick usage, you just get the keyboard, and then at the back we're just gonna get the dongle. From here, you just take it out like that. It's magnetic, so it sticks. So yeah, you see. So this is the dongle. We're just gonna plug that in. Okay, so plug it into one of the USB ports at the back. Right here on the side. Like that. So turning it on to G. Right there it says G for dongle. Okay, now to change the lighting, there's this icons here. This one is to change the speed, change the light, and then this one is to change the lighting. This one, and yeah, I think it's this one. I'm not sure what's this. So hold FN, and then yeah, just press that. I'll turn off the light, one of the lights. Oh, okay. It's too dark. Okay, so that's what this one. This one is changing the color. FN less than sign, change color. So you can choose single color. So then you can configure it. Again, it's the speed and the lighting. So less light, more light, slow, and then fast. And then change color. I think I like this one, the white. Oh. Alright, so I'm back with white. Now let's do the typing test. Okay, for the typing test, we're gonna use Monkey Type website, and yeah, this one is keyboard with brown switch. We will do 15 seconds. Okay, so let's do it again. That's basically the sound. Let's try again. Okay, so it feels like there's a bit of strength when pressing it. Okay, last. Oops. Yeah, so made some mistakes there. So that's the sound of this keyboard when typing on it. Okay, now let's do a comparison between this keyboard, the H81, and my other Royal Kludge keyboard, and this one is the RK-M75. So space bar. Let's see. About ASD. ASD. Let's try. So there's definitely a difference in sound. And this switch is much softer to touch. I'll show you what switch this is. Okay, this one is using yellow switch. So I'll do a typing test here, then you can just compare. Okay, so that's how it sounds. If you have some questions, feel free to comment below, and that will be it for this video. As always, thank you for watching. Cheers.